All day, Altoona police officer Christy Wasser on the hot seat. In fact, things got so heated late in the day that Luigi Mangione took off his sport coat. This as the lead defense attorney accused her of turning off her body camera inside of her cruiser and rifling through the defendant's backpack, finding the handgun. Luigi Mangione exuding confidence for the cameras on week 2 of his pretrial hearings in Manhattan criminal court. Mangione's attorneys are hoping to persuade the judge to bar certain evidence and statements from trial. Attorney Terry Austin has been sitting in on the testimony given about the murder case.
He's probably going to admit all the statements and admit the evidence, and perhaps a tiny bit will be carved out.
However, Austin believes the Pennsylvania police officers acted largely within their rights when searching and questioning the 27-year-old last December, initially without a warrant. On the witness stand Monday, Altoona police officer Christy Wasser. She searched the suspect's backpack after he was arrested for using a fake ID at a McDonald's. Wasser asked Mangione if there was anything she should be wary of, to which he invoked his right to remain silent. Wasser told the court she was just making sure there's not a bomb in here before I put it in the car.
If you said it, if you think there's a bomb in the bag, then why would you go in that? Why would you go in that bag?
At the arrest scene, body camera footage shows Wasser pulling out personal items and then a loaded 9mm magazine wrapped in a pair of underwear.
The search of the bag at the McDonald's was done after the arrest. And remember, you can do a search incident to the arrest.
Back at police headquarters, we see the search continue in earnest. That's where Officer Wasser testified to finding the gun, silencer, and notebook for the first time, including a piece of paper on which Mangione allegedly planned his escape from New York. The defense futilely objecting to its release. On it, we saw handwritten notes. Check Pittsburgh red eye, ideally to Columbus or Cleveland. Keep momentum. FBI is slower overnight. Break camera continuity and check news reports for current situation. Something else the defense continued to hammer in on was the fact that the prosecution was referring to the killing of Brian Thompson as an execution and the personal diary of Luigi Mangione as a manifesto, saying that both of those terms could negatively impact a jury. From Lower Manhattan, I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.